Hey everyone! Today we are reviewing the Celestron Nature DX binoculars for your next outdoor adventure. These binoculars feature fully multi-coated lenses and phase-coated prisms for incredibly bright and high-resolution images. You get powerful 10 times magnification, along with a close focus of under 10 feet for birding. The robust body is waterproof and fogproof, with a durable rubber-armored housing for protection in the field. Every pair comes with a carrying case, neck strap, and lens caps to keep your gear safe. Celestron is a leading optics brand since 1960 and provides a limited lifetime warranty for confidence. Experience the perfect combination of premium build quality and portability on your very next birding trip. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.